Most of the tech you buy is engineered to feel outdated within 6 months, just to keep you spending. The real problem is that what actually matters is rarely shown in marketing. So let's break it down, because what you're about to see changes how you look at every device you buy. Welcome to Frog Deal. Let's dive in. Taking a shower in the middle of nowhere usually means hauling heavy gear or settling for a freezing trickle. But this pocket-sized pump completely changes the setup. It weighs just 7 ounces, yet it manages to push out up to 5 liters of water per minute. You drop the line into a bucket, choose between 2 pressure modes, and suddenly you have a high-pressure rinse, anywhere from a remote trail to the beach. It runs for over an hour on a single charge, and when it dies, you just plug it right into a power bank. It's basically a luxury bathroom that fits right in your backpack. Dealing with a tangled mess of different cables every time you travel is easily one of the most annoying parts of packing tech. This sleek little hub fixes that by condensing 3 separate chargers into a single pocket-sized square. It unfolds into a fully adjustable 360-degree rotating stand that powers your phone, watch, and wireless earbuds all at the same time. The magnetic alignment snaps everything perfectly into place, giving you up to 15 watts of wireless juice. When you're ready to check out, it folds completely flat right back into your bag. Spending hours under a scorching sun leaves you desperate for a breeze. This wide brim hat solves that by embedding 2 solar-powered fans into the fabric. The moment you step outside, the sun powers a quiet motor that blows cool air across your face. It features adjustable speeds, a battery backup for the shade, and a massive brim to completely block the heat. Traditional laser engravers are usually massive, heavy boxes anchored to a specific desk in a workshop. This portable powerhouse completely flips that design, packing a 10-watt diode laser into a compact body you can carry with one hand. It fires at a blistering 4,000 millimeters per second, cutting through thick wood and etching sharp 4K details onto everything from leather to coated metal. Dual red dots align the focus instantly, letting you customize almost any surface on the fly. Stumbling around in the dark looking for a light switch is a universal annoyance, and standard motion lights usually turn on way too late. These sleek magnetic pods fix that with a clever synchronization feature. When the very first sensor detects your movement, it instantly triggers every single light in the chain to illuminate your entire path at once. They snap onto any wall without wiring, emit a soft, glare-free glow, and the rechargeable battery keeps them running for weeks on a single charge. Making frozen drinks at home usually requires a loud blender and piles of ice. This compact machine bypasses all of that, using a built-in compressor to flash freeze liquids directly. Just pour in your favorite beverage, select a preset on the screen, and it automatically churns out perfectly smooth slush. Those disposable compressed air cans we all use to clean our keyboards are incredibly wasteful, and they lose pressure after just a few seconds. This pocket-sized jet fan offers a permanent solution by spinning a brushless motor up to a staggering 150,000 revolutions per minute. That creates a massive wall of air moving at 45 meters per second, blasting heavy dust out of delicate electronics, car vents, or camera gear. It runs for over an hour on a single charge and comes with multiple nozzles to handle everything from detailing to inflating camp gear. Working on a phone or tablet during business trips usually means fighting with a cramped, clunky layout. This setup solves that by packing a true, full-size desktop keyboard and a precise, silent mouse into a folding frame that slips into any laptop sleeve. Smart locks that rely on regular fingerprints usually fail the moment your hands are wet, dirty, or full of groceries. This deadbolt bypasses that entirely by utilizing an advanced scanner that reads the unique internal vein patterns inside your palm without even touching the surface. It unlocks in just 0.2 seconds, stores all your biometric data locally without cloud subscription fees, and features a massive battery that lasts up to 8 full months on a single charge. Traditional tape measures always bend, snap, or require a second person just to hold the other end straight across a room. This hybrid tool solves that frustration by fusing a digital physical tape with a high-precision laser that stretches out to 165 feet. It features a bright, full-color screen that displays live calculations for distance, area, and even volume instantly. A built-in electronic sensor tracks your exact angles in real time, and the internal memory automatically stores your last 30 measurements, so you can finally put down the pencil. Standard backup batteries work great until you're deep in the wilderness with absolutely no access to a wall outlet. This rugged power bank tackles that problem by integrating a high-efficiency solar panel directly onto its outer shell to pull energy straight from the sun. The reinforced casing is completely waterproof and shockproof, packing a 10,000 mAh lithium cobalt battery that holds a charge much longer than typical power banks. It features a built-in wireless charging pad on the back, a high-speed 20-watt USB-C port, and a dual emergency flashlight built right into the frame for nighttime navigation. Most portable fans just push the same hot air right back at your face when the temperature spikes. This multifunctional pocket device changes the game by combining 3 distinct cooling methods into a single handheld unit. It pairs a 10-speed customizable fan with a specialized micromister that refreshes your skin without soaking your clothes. What sets it apart is the specialized contact plate on the back, which uses a cryo-inspired surface to instantly drop your skin temperature by up to 16 degrees upon direct contact. The flexible frame can be twisted or clipped onto bags for hands-free use. Working on modern electronics means dealing with tiny, fragile screws that are incredibly easy to strip. This pin-sized driver addresses that by replacing manual guesswork with a controlled 5-gear digital torque system. Wrapped in an anodized aluminum body, it safely matches the exact force needed for smartphones, laptops, or watches. A gradient indicator tracks your power level on the fly, while the satisfying pop-up storage case organizes 50 magnetic steel bits alongside an upgraded battery built for marathon repair sessions. Standard home treadmills are notoriously massive, heavy, and eat up an entire room's worth of floor space. This compact walking pad completely changes that, shrinking the traditional bulky frame while maximizing the usable running belt with a hidden 3.5 horsepower motor. It packs a motorized 20% auto incline system to burn calories twice as fast, runs at a whisper-quiet 35 decibels, and folds entirely flat to slide right under a bed. If you want to see the links and current pricing for any of the gadgets featured today, check out the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you enjoyed the countdown, and we'll see you in the next video.